And that is, everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you.
More than I can say, do it to me. More than I can say, do it to me. More than I can say.
I always forget that that's broke. Everywhere, absolutely everywhere. I can't control it. No. Yeah. There's more on drive than you think. Look at it all over. So that was an absolute fail. Welcome to another video. I'm just on my way to Halfords to go and get some more cleaning products for this, because on cleaning the Mrs. Suzuki Swift yesterday I used nearly all of my wheel cleaner, nearly all of my car shampoo, definitely used all of my ceramic wash and wax from Maguire's, used a lot of stuff, so I need to restock, so that's where we're going. Go on then.
What do you have to say then?
Say hello.
Hello. And what do you have to say now?
What are we doing? You don't know. What are we trying to find?
Don't know.
Get your feet off my dashboard. Get your feet off. Say hello.
Hello.
So I've just got back and the haul was a success, although expensive. So I've got a ceramic wet and wax from Turtle Wax, just because it was considerably cheaper than the Maguire's one. So I'm quite upset actually that I don't have any of the Maguire's wet and wax ceramic hybrid wax. Sorry, the Maguire's ceramic hybrid wax remaining, so I could test it against this one. But oh well. The next thing I got, which I thought was quite a cool idea, is a ceramic wash and wax. So I'll give that a go, see if that aids the beading and the protection of the paint any longer than what a normal wash would. I got some red line wheel cleaner, and everything is Turtle Wax because there was a bit of a sale on. And I got this, which is like a waterless wash and wax, but it's a ceramic one as well. So I just thought with the ceramic wash, the ceramic spray on wet wax, and then a ceramic waterless wash and wax, I thought, you know, let's go the full 9 yards with Turtle Wax product and see if they all work nicely together. I'm hoping they do, and I'm hoping they last a bit longer than the Maguire stuff, but we'll see. I do want to get some more Maguire stuff, or even the Dodo Juice stuff actually. I think I should use the previous winner for the beading sort of test that I did previously. I think I should use the winner, so Dodo Juice against this stuff. And again, see what's better. So when I'm about to run out, that's probably the move. Buy some Dodo Juice before I run out while I've got like a third left. Do half and half of a car again and see which one's the winner. See which one's the better one. So that's my haul from Halfords. Quite pricey. Now I haven't washed these since I painted them, so I'm interested to see how the paint copes with a pressure wash. Needs a little bit of a scrub, but not too bad. A quick intermission. Look at all the dirt coming off the car and how much it's beading still. You can see that the Dodo Juice Future Arm is still working really, really well. How good is that? Anyway, just trying the red line now, see what it's like. Now I've just jet washed off the front two wheels and they were so satisfying to watch. So I thought I'd sit the camera down and and show you how well the wheels come out. This is definitely a better product in my opinion than the car plan stuff. Really, just look at how red that is, just really reacted with it. So yeah, I'm going to set the camera down now and show you how satisfying this is. Literally takes nothing to get it off. I know I've recently resprayed these, but yeah, really impressed with just how well they've come out. I think everything that you can see just says it all. So yeah, really happy with that Turtle Wax red line stuff. I just came over here to start the sponging with the ceramic wash and wax stuff. Don't know if you can see that. There you go. Listen. How crazy is that? And now finally I'm going to try the ceramic wet wax. So this should apply very similarly to the Maguire's hybrid ceramic wax. Straight on a wet car and dry off, or wipe off with a mitt. So overall, really happy with the products. Really good and really quick products to use. It's really straightforward. And now that the whole car's had a treatment of all the Turtle Wax products, I'll be using the 3-in-1 ceramic detailer. So I think this is like a, if you can see that there, it's like a 3-in-1 ceramic quick detailer. So I'll be able to use this, throw it on the car and get the car looking fresh nice and quickly. So I'll be able to use this nice and easy, nice and quick on the go, which is good, and it'll stay there next to my Rain-X. And I normally keep a couple of microfibers in there. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I know it's been quite an unadventurous video, but just another vlog to add to the collection. If you're liking the car, if you're liking the channel, please give us a subscribe just to the bottom. Give us a thumbs up as well if you like the content. And thank you very much for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.
Makes the night